Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful green makeup look. So if you are interested in this video, please keep on watching.
It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.
Okay guys, so we are jumping straight into it. I'm taking this green shade from the BHCOSMETICS Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just buffing this in, kind of in my crease, a little bit above the crease, just kind of starting to shape out how we gonna do our eye. And now this green color is from the Hard Candy Smoke Out palette, and I'm using this as a median shade between this and the darker green that we'll use to deepen the crease. And the dark green is from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. And here I'm just brushing that into the crease in kind of the outer V of my eye. I do have the E.L.F. Line and Define tape, so I can have like a nice defined little sharp edge on the end of my eyeshadow. And then I'm cutting the crease out with the NYX eyeshadow base, and this is just in the shade White. And I'm just kind of gauging where to cut the crease. And for my hooded eye beauties, you want to go a little bit above like that flappy fold area. So it's important when you're putting your eyeshadows down that you're making sure you're taking the gradient up a little bit higher so you can still see all the colors. Now, before I put down glitter, I want to go ahead and pack on this like lime green shade, because as you can see, we're doing like this bright lime green glitter. So I'm just kind of doing this as a base for that. And this will just make it stand out a little bit more. And so I'm taking this JCAT Beauty glitter along with my Duo Lash Glue, and I'm just taking the opposite end of my brush, like the handle side, to put the glue down, and I put it almost all the way across my lid, but you want to work fast enough so the glue doesn't dry. And I'm taking that JCAT Beauty glitter and I'm putting it pretty much all across where we cut the crease, and then towards the outer edge I'm putting the Magic Collection glitter to kind of build up a little bit of a gradient. And I will link all the products in the description box below, so make sure you go down there and check them out if you're interested in shopping any of these products. And I'm just, again, packing this glitter on. And then here I'm just going back in with that dark green from the Jaclyn Hill palette and kind of blending out the edges. Now you can see it's not like fully blended, so that's where we're gonna go in, and we're gonna add this little green shimmer shade from the Smoke Out palette, and I'm just adding this to kind of define that cut crease and then on the outer corner. Now I'm taking this big fan brush to just kind of dust away any loose glitter. This has helped me when it comes to like making sure I don't have any glitter fall out above the crease. As you can see, I still have some above the crease right now, but I think I'm gonna go in and brush it off. And then I'm taking a makeup wipe just to clean up the rest of my face where glitter and eyeshadow has fallen on my face. And now I'm peeling off that tape and just cleaning that up, and we got a nice clean eye look. And now I'm about to put on my lashes, and I'm taking my EYLURE lashes. This is Curly Queen, which is a collaboration with Jasmine Brown. And I'm doing a new like lash application method where I put the glue on my lash line, put glue on the lash itself, and then I do my mascara, and by the time I finish doing my mascara, the glue is tacky enough for me to apply the lashes. By doing this, I feel like I've gotten like a more secure hold. So now onto the face, we're using the E.L.F. Jelly Pop Primer. And y'all, this stuff is so bomb. Like, it's so tacky. I feel like my makeup just, it just snaps to that bad boy, okay? And it's kind of, some people say it's a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I can see that the Hydro Grip Primer is just a little bit thicker than this one. And for foundation, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. This is the Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in 385. And y'all, with me not being outside as much as I typically would be during the summer, I'm looking a little bit more on the pale side, and 385 is literally my perfect match. I was so amused at how good this shade matched me. So I did go in with an additional pump. So I started off with 2 pumps, and then I went in with an additional pump because I wanted a full coverage look, because we cannot be walking around with these money green eyes, you know what I'm saying, and like our base be like half stepping. You know, we gotta, if we gonna go there, we gonna go there. So after blending out with my brush, I'm blending out with this sponge, and this whole video, y'all, when I tell y'all I blended the thing, I blended the thing. And so for concealer, this is just to like kind of add another layer of coverage, and this is the E.L.F 16-hour camo concealer, and I'm just using this under the eye, bridge of the nose, chin, forehead, all that good stuff. And then I'm taking my Juvia's Place, my Juvia's Place, yeah, Juvia's Place, I don't know why I want to say Juvia's Palace, my Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm just using this to contour basically, and I'm putting that on before I blend out my concealer so that can get tacky. And I'm blending out the y'all hear these little cars revving up, child, the ghetto. Anyway, I am blending that out with this Real Techniques brush, and this contour shade just snatches me at a whole nother level. Okay, so I'm just blending this out, and you'll see throughout my makeup application in this video that I keep going back and forth between my foundation brush that I originally used and the brushes or sponges that I use to blend out concealer and contour. And that's because having that excess foundation on your brush helps blend everything together and make it look a little bit more seamless. So like right now, my makeup and stuff still looks a little bit patchy, and here I'm adding just a little bit more concealer to highlight. And so this is my Fenty Beauty concealer in 360, and I'm blending that out with this sponge, and I'm just taking it kind of toward where I contour my nose and then out toward the edge of my face. And you really don't want to blow it out too far, but for me, like, I don't mind pulling it all the way to my hairline because I'm gonna blend it out with my contour shade and my foundation brush. So I'm just blending this out, and I'm really kind of showing you guys how much it takes to really blend your makeup. And I ain't even no pro, so it could be even more blended than what I'm just showing you guys right now. But so after I do this, this is what I was talking about, where I'm going in with my foundation brush and kind of just melting everything together from concealer to contour, all of that. And now here, I didn't show you guys, but I'm using my Beauty Bakerie flour powder in the shade Plantain. And what I learned is you have to press, before you bake, you have to press the powder in really nice to set under the eye before you bake. So that's what I did. And then I'm taking my Mercier setting powder in medium deep, and I'm just kind of cleaning up the contour. Now I'm going in with the lip bar. This is their face quad in Stuntin', and y'all, I have not filmed my full face the lip bar with their fast face kit yet, but this is one of the main products that came in that kit, and when I tell y'all, the colors were on point. Like, I'm here for it, so I'm super excited to film that video for you guys. But here I'm just contouring my face per usual, and then I can't resist Caramel Cutie, y'all. I have to, it just adds a little bit more warmth for me, so I did that. And now this is the blush from the face quad from the lip bar, and y'all, look how pigmented that is. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't ready. I was not ready at all. So I'm just blending this out, and I'm just looking like, girl, you look good. We gonna ignore them pores because we still baking, you know what I'm saying? But here's after I like dusted all of that off, and I spray my face with some Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I like to do that before I apply my highlighter. So this is the Juvia's Place Loose Highlighter in Antique Gold, and y'all, the last video I did, I told y'all I wasn't sure about loose highlighters, but after watching this video back so many times during editing, like, y'all, this highlighter, okay, like Juvia's Place, please, sis, please add me to the PR list. Like, I will be so thankful. Y'all, just get into this glow. Like, y'all, I don't even have words. I just look so bomb. Like, this hooch leg. This looks so good. So I added it to my inner corner to highlight. And I also did like my brow bones, my brow bone, my nose, all of that. The same stuff I usually highlight. And here I'm going in with the, not the darkest green, but like the middle green shade. And I'm putting that on my lower lash line just to kind of complete the look and pull it together. I do feel like this kind of ups the ante with your look. And now I'm taking the mascara that also came in my Fast Face kit. And I actually really like it, especially on my lower lash line, which I always struggle with getting mascara like on my lower lashes effectively, but it really came out good in my opinion. Like, y'all, look at this face. So now I'm about to spray again, and this is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And then of course I gotta use my Dollar Tree fan. Y'all, it finally like kind of broke on me, so I gotta go get another one, but definitely worth the $1. And now I'm taking my MILANI Make It Dewy setting spray, and I'm just doing this because this look is giving me dew. Glitter, this highlighter, it's giving me dew. It's not giving me matte. And so this one didn't spray out as fine, so I'm kind of patting it in with that foundation brush to kind of just make sure everything is well blended. And then typically I don't really do any huge liner situations. So before I do my lips, I want to do my eyeliner. This is from the Lip Bar as well. It's called Straight Out of Patience, which these names are so cute. And I did my, basically my waterline on the bottom and the top, and it just elevated the look just a little bit more. And then I'm taking my NYX Slim Lip liner, and this is in the shade Nutmeg, and this is just such a pretty shade. This is my first NYX lip liner. I know I've been asleep. I need to get plenty more. NYX, if you are watching, add me to the PR list. But yes, I really love this shade. I think it's a good like neutral, but it kind of has that reddish pinkish undertone that ties in the blush that we have on. And then I decided to take my LIMECRIME Lip Blaze, and this is in the shade Fern. And for some reason, when I do like these glitter eye looks, I just love a neutral lip. And Fern is just so like, it goes with the skin. It's like the perfect nude. So this is the finished look. I like it like that. And I'm just going to show y'all, you know, the finished look with the hair down. Y'all get into it. Yes, slow-mo. Sheesh. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed this makeup look. Y'all get into it. I think it looks really good. I don't remember the last time I did a green, like full green eyeshadow look, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Also, go ahead and comment the next color that you want me to do an eye makeup look on. Please drop it in the comment section below. This time I asked my girls, I asked them what color should I do for my eyeshadow, and they said green, and so this is your green look. So go ahead again and drop in the comments what color you guys want me to do next, and I'll choose from the comments and we'll create a makeup look. If you have a full makeup look or something like that you want me to try and achieve, you can drop that in the comments as well. And if you watched thus far and you are not subscribed, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, sis? Go ahead and subscribe down below. Join the Gym Squad. That basically means you're joining a community of people committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. So go ahead and subscribe down below. While you're down there, you can like this video and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I upload. And without further ado, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tiffle. Bye, guys.